All right, now that we have all of the microphones paired to the main receiver, one thing we notice is you don't want the volume on each of those to be much more than about a quarter on. So that's at about 9 o'clock. We had echo and music completely turned off. And the reason you don't want them too high is it puts too much output into the speaker and you just get a lot of noise. So now we have mic receiver and mic D working with this one. So if you're not getting enough volume, you can either move the volume D knob on this, or first try to increase the volume through the mixer itself. Now, another thing to note is the output to the recorder is on, so I'm going to start recording. And what you want to do is there's a peak button or a peak light on the left. Right now, it's kind of hitting peak. So you want to make sure that you either adjust the output for the volume going into the recorder so it doesn't get too high, or just make sure people aren't holding the microphone right next to their mouth, because if they do that, then peak is always on. So this is a pretty good distance, and you can see that it's picking up the sound without getting too much of a peak. If it's too much peak, then it just gets really rattly on the recording. I think that is it. Good luck. And yep, all four of these microphones can be used simultaneously. Test, test.
Test.
Test. And here you can either use a headset recorder, I'm sorry, a headset microphone. Go ahead.
Test. Test.
Good.
Test.
Or again,
See, that's
the handheld mics.
That's
All right.
pink.